Hey guys, so we are on we're about to get a bird nest out of this dryer vent up here. We also have a bathroom exhaust vent that we're going to check out as well, that may have some birds flying in and out. So yeah, they've been reported dryer issues. If you could tell, we have a big dryer, or it's pretty much clogged all the way through. I'm not sure how many birds nests have been built in this one, but we're going to try to get this one out. I'm going to suggest a new dryer vent cover to keep them out, because if all their vents are getting it, that means this area is pretty busy with birds. I can hear a bunch of them hanging out behind me. Okay, we're gonna have to get a wire brush to get the rest of that out. Cool. So we're gonna switch over to the wire brush. That way we can get all the gunk. It's pretty caked on in there, which I'm assuming they've been using the bathroom inside that vent, so. I'll probably grab that other one actually. We're just gonna do the front part of this vent and then clean out the rest of it, just so we can get all that gunk out. And then I'm gonna do a visual inspection with the camera system. We just need to get the airflow flowing through here. All right.